So good morning students, myself Mahendra Sani from Civil Engineering Department. I would like to teach you today important part of water resources engineering for 8th semester in the classification of dam. So today we will discuss about a rock fill type of dam. Okay. So first of all, what is a rock-fill dam? So a rock-fill dam is built of rocks fragments. As name suggests that it is built up of rock fragments, or we can say boulders of large size. An impervious membrane is placed on the upstream of this rock fill. Okay, so you can see here this is a impervious membrane. Why it is provided here? So to reduce the seepage through this upstream side in the dam. Generally this membrane is made up of cement concrete and in another situation asphaltic concrete also. Okay, by asphaltic concrete also. In early rock-fill dams was made up of timber or rock-fill or other steel members. Okay, and a dry rubble cushion is placed between the rock fill and the membrane. You can see here this is a dry rubble. This is a dry rubble cushion. Okay, provided in between membrane and a rock fill. Okay, why it is provided here? So to distribute the water load and providing a support for the membrane, or we can say to protect the dislocation of this membrane. Okay, and the rock fill dams have an impervious earth core in the middle to check the seepage instead of an impervious upstream membrane. Okay, the earth core is placed against a dumped rock fill. Okay, earth core in place of earth core we provide here a dumped rock fill. Okay, and it is necessary to provide a filter between the earth core and the rock fill. Okay, so what is the we should know here that what is the function of this core providing in this portion of the rock fill in this rock fill dam. So purpose is to provide a particle, okay, to provide a adequate filter or to retain the seepage through this dam. And another purpose is to provide a filter is to protect or to retain the soil particles comes from water to the in this dam. Okay, and so that piping does not occur. Piping is a greater failure in these dams. Okay, and side slope usually taken 1.4 ratio 1 to 1.3 ratio 1. Okay, both side here 1.4:1, and in the upstream side 1.3:1. So rockfill dams are quite economical. Okay, if large quantity of rocks is easily available near the site. Okay, so it is all about rockfill dam. Sorry, term is also here, cutoff wall. So it is for continuation in the membrane, or we can say this is the footing part of this membrane, support part of this membrane to support this membrane structure through the ground. Okay, so this is all about rockfill dam. We will meet in next lecture with a unique topic. Thank you again. Thanks.